How you doing, folks? It's Aidan here from Windsor Airside Renault. Today we're going to show you around the Renault Master van. The Renault Master van comes in 3 different lengths and 2 different heights. The lengths range from a little over 3 metres to 4.3 metres, and the heights go from a little under 1.8 metres to a little over 2 metres in height. This particular Master is the 3.73 metres. We call it the LM35. It's the most popular van in the range, and it's, as I said, 3.73 metres on the floor. There is one that's a little bit longer, 4.3 metres. This one is a little under 1.9 metres in height, which is our standard roof. As you can see, I'm about 6 foot tall and there's plenty of room. So the Renault Master van has some nice features as standard. One of them is full Bluetooth, so you've your phone with your microphone is above your head. You have USB connectivity in the radio and up on the dashboard, so you have 2 USB ports. You also have your traditional cigarette lighter port for your charging point. The van also comes with electric mirrors, which are heated as well, electric windows, remote central locking, which includes deadlocks. Another nice feature for when you're out on the road is the folding mobile office, or as some lads call it, their lunch tray. So just to finish on the Renault Master today, all Renault commercial vehicles come with the standard Renault 5-year warranty up to 200,000 kilometres, and that is a manufacturer's warranty. You also get 5 years roadside assistance, and we have a great offer on Renault LCVs at the minute with the 3% finance, which is on the side of the van. So if you're looking for any more information, you can contact myself here at Windsor Airside Renault, or you can have a look at our website on www.windsor.ie.